What's up, guys? So right now we're actually gonna head to a river that they're stocking with these amazing trout, like big trout. So we're going fishing for those, and we're gonna do a catch and cook. This is the aftermath here. It's amazing. You don't want to miss out on this recipe or just how I cooked these. Turned out amazing, tastes amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys how I caught them and how I cooked them. And I'll tell you guys what, you guys don't want to miss this awesome recipe and some big trout being caught. Just a great day overall. So before we get this video started, I actually want to give a big shout out to Shop Carls for sponsoring this video. Pretty much everything I used today, from the tackle to baits, I got off their website. Everything I got off the website was actually 30% off because I'm a Carl's Club member. They have a huge assortment of baits and lures that you guys can use, and some of them they actually develop themselves. So go ahead and check them out. The link will be down below. It'll take you straight to Shop Carl's, and also if you guys sign up as a Carl's Club member, you'll get up to 30% off pretty much anything on their store. So that's pretty cool. It's better than going to a lot of stores. You get to save money and it gets shipped right to your doorstep. So go ahead and check them out. Once again, link down below. And other than that, let's get to fishing. Got him. Oh, that's a nice one too. Gosh dang. First cast or second cast of that. Oh man. Oh.
Whoa, we almost hooked me. First trout of the trip. They're beautiful. Here's this guy. Trout are the hardest fish to hold on to. They're slimy.
It's a nice one.
That's what I'm about to. Oh, there's a big one too. Oh, it's over right now. Oh, one bit this. Oh. Come on. Got him. Oh. I had him, lost him. Come on. Oh, got him. Yeah.
Right.
Oh man, this is a monster too.
He's kind of big.
I got him cooked good.
Oh, he was the big one, or one of the bigger ones.
Yeah, because he had to swallow the whole thing. Oh man, they got some big ones in here. Holy cow. The pole's about to fall on, but they got some solid trout in here. This one's a nice one by any means right here. So trout are amazing eating. We're gonna take some of these home and eat them up tonight. So we got a big school of trout right here. Big trout too. And we're trying to catch them. We've already got a couple, but they're just going up right here. It's actually pretty cool. Oh. I'm just drop shotting a little pink worm. It's got a white head on it. And they're loving it. They're loving this thing. So I've already got one. Senior's got one on a little spoon-like thing. Let's see right now if we can't pull one out. Got him. Oh, no way. He broke me off.
Jeez.
That's the first time I broke off in a long time. That was on a trout too. What the heck? That must have been one heck of a trout. Their teeth are sharp though. Off those ones we caught, they got some sharp teeth. So it honestly doesn't surprise me.
Got another fish. Look at that. Look at how beautiful these things are.
Someone just kind of right there. Oh, it was on that little green jig too.
I got your bait.
Oh, you got my bait in his mouth, yeah.
Does he?
Yeah, that's the one that broke me off.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
What are the odds of that?
Hey,
Holy
dude.
cow. I just broke off, and this fish literally went and ate Senior's bait right there.
Look at that. It's still in his mouth. No games here. Look at that. Look at the weight.
Yep, my weight's right there.
Oh shoot. Oh man.
No wonder he broke me off. That's a pretty big one right there.
Yeah, he's big. Come on, dude. These guys are slimy. All right.
He's got some really, really sharp teeth on him. That's why he broke me off. Oh yeah, he's definitely going to be a keeper because he's bleeding. But there goes my bait. There he goes.
Yeah, these are scared out of their mind. They're not going to bite this.
Yeah, I'll have to move on. Maybe we'll find another school. So I've been practicing my skipping here. I'm going to try to skip under that tree. Been getting better at it. Oh, that was horrible. I was doing amazing and then I turn on the camera and do horrible. Yeah, but I've been practicing my skipping here. As you guys can see right there. Whoa. Starting to get a little bit better. Great opportunity to practice your skipping. Even if, you know, you cast there 100 times, it's an awesome time to get to practice. Once you start to get the hang of it, it's awesome. I'm sure we can find another school. If not, we can come back to them. You know what I'm talking about? Give them some time to rest or something. Get us off their mind. So we managed to pull a couple out of that last cove. We went ahead and made a move. They stopped biting there. It was weird. It's like we educated them or something. When we throw a bait in there and catch one, like right when it would go in, they'd bite. But then they'd figure out about that bait or something and they wouldn't bite it to save their lives, I guess. After that, I guess you could say. But they wouldn't bite that bait again after we caught one off of it. So they all stopped biting in there, and we're gonna go ahead and move. There's miles and miles of water that way and plenty of coves. So I'm more than positive we're gonna find a couple more trout and catch a couple more. Well, let's just take a second to just look at that view. It doesn't get any better than that today. It doesn't get any better than that, to be honest. It's just a glass day. The water's glass, and this water, I mean, is just insanely clear. This place is awesome. I really like it. But the thing is, there's just not a whole lot of fish here. The fish numbers just aren't crazy, but the thing about this place is when you catch one, it's always bigger. Oh my gosh!
Look at that beast. Wow.
I was flipping a little worm thing and holy cow, I thought I was stuck because I flipped that behind some moss in the shade. This guy's been out here for a while, for a long while.
That is a big trout. Anywhere you go, that's a big trout.
That's what
That thing is a monster.
That's 3.1 pound trout right there.
3.13. Look at this guy.
Alright, so this mystery tackle box ruler is the only one I got. So we're gonna use it. I get trout 12 inches to be a keeper on Carl's. Alright, let's go ahead and lay this trout on here. He is almost 21 inches. He's growing to be big. We're gonna go ahead and keep him. There's plenty in here. They stock them like we said, so this guy's a nice one. He's gonna eat up. He's gonna eat up amazing. There's a nice one going in the live well.
Big one?
I don't know. He's fighting like a tank, and he took me deep.
Is he a bass?
Yeah, it's the alright one.
Let's see.
Dang, Smalley's put up the biggest fight out of everything.
Oh yeah, you could have both flipped that one.
He put up the fight of an absolute monster. This one's made by Catch Coats, one by Crawls. But nice. So I probably look like a little noodle or something, but nice little Smalley. I worked hard for this bass right here. They're hardly biting out here. There's not a very high bass population this far up on the river. But this guy put up the biggest fight I've ever had of a little Smalley like this. I thought I had a monster on, to be honest, but he's a little football, a little tank of a Smalley right there. Probably came out about 15 feet. 15 foot of water. Smashed him, so. Nice little Smalley here. Thank you for biting aggressively. It's been a while, I feel like, since I've been able to actually get an aggressive bite out of a bass here. But we're gonna go ahead and let him go. Thank you again. Nice Smalley. Here we go, we're gonna let him go. Yep. Did it just like a Smalley does it right there. Another little Smalley. This one's better than the last.
Smalley number 2. Oh, he's a fat boy.
He fell out. Got another nice chunky smallmouth right here off that wall. Nice little smallmouth. These guys put up the biggest fight ever. I love smallmouth bass. It's just hard to beat these deep water Texas rig and smallmouth bass. I'm gonna go ahead and let them go. See if we can get another one. That one's a little bit of an upgrade. These guys are little chunks out here. There we go. Nice one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I've never had so much pressure in my life. Let's go. I can't see. That's what's up right there.
There we go.
Oh my gosh. It's windier than heck out here. Barely can talk. I don't know if you guys can hear me well here, but I mean it is windy. And Senior just smashed him a giant.
Oh, he's a fatty, but he's only like, I'd say 5'6".
That thing put up a fight though. Thing put up a fight.
Should we weigh him?
Yeah.
Let's weigh him. What's it say?
615, 617, 610, 623. We'll call it 615.
Ow!
Bit you?
Yeah.
Ah!
There it is.
Oh man, oh man.
Look at that.
That's a toad right there. We gotta take some pictures for sure.
Striper of a lifetime. No, it ain't. All right, let's get some pictures on this guy. Windy as heck out here. We're gonna go home, finish the catch and cook on the trout. This guy gets to live today. The big guy. We want these guys to get 40 pounds in here.
Oh yeah, that thing went by.
Oh man.
Nice.
There we go. It's time to go home.
I'm gonna go ahead and put the trout in.
Alright, so a little while later, we're finally getting around to cooking these trout. Got some nice trout nuggets here. You guys have seen me cook a million times before. You guys already know I like to keep it simple, I like to keep it easy, I like to make it taste good. So, all I did was I chopped up the 2 fillets of one of the bigger trouts into little nuggets. Now we're going to be using today, you guys have seen these before, pollo powder, garlic salt, black pepper, some ground chili, some lemon pepper seasoning, and also we got lemon over here. So, first steps first, I just got some vegetable oil, and we're going to go ahead and put it in this pan. So next step is you're going to want to season your fish. I don't have any big bags, so I got these little sandwich bags. I'm just going to go ahead and throw all the seasonings I want in that bag and throw the fish in there and shake it up. And finally, that ground chili. So this is what the bag of seasoning looks like. I'm also going to throw some all-purpose flour in here just to kind of dilute it a little bit and make it a little easier to stick to the fish and everything, because if you just throw this with your fish right now and mix it all up in this, it'll be way too salty, and I'll tell you what, it won't be a very good product. So we're going to go ahead and throw some all-purpose flour in here. All the seasonings are in the bag, so all we're going to do is throw the fish in this bag, shake it up, and it'll be done. So all the fish is in the bag here. You just give it a good shaking, and it'll stir all the seasonings around each piece of fish. So this oil's hot now. We're gonna go ahead and start dipping the fish in there. It looks amazing, smells amazing. Juju's on camera now. He's gonna go ahead and do a taste test when this stuff's done. All right, so this trout's done now. You can put these in tacos. You can do anything with it, but we're just gonna eat it today. So last piece here that you've always got to throw over your fish, some lemon. I'm going to go ahead and poke out those seeds really quick because this is really seedy lemon. But just squeeze a whole bunch of lemon over there and it's ready to be eaten. Man, this looks amazing. What do you think, Juju? Does it look good?
Yep.
Oh, that's some awesome looking fish right there. Dun 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 dun. Juju, right here. He loves fish. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think.
You really want me to tell you what I think?
Yep, the cold hard honest truth.
Which one's the lucky piece? Alright. Need some more? No, okay. It is really good.
It's good?
That trout, haven't had trout in a while, but
Fried trout,
this one's definitely up there. This trout's really good.
You watched me cook it too. It was fast and it cooked pretty fast.
It takes like roughly a minute or two to cook it.
Yeah, and I only took like 5 minutes to prep, so that's
Fast and easy, and it turns out this good. Sell this
Can't
at a
beat it.
restaurant. Come on.
good old fashioned fried trout nuggets right here. I'm gonna go ahead and give me a little piece here. See what I think. That is pretty good.
It's really
Super
good. Gonna have to save it and give it to Lena until there's chicken. She'll be like, dang, that's the best chicken I ever had. It's good.
For real, Lena saw like, I don't like fish, and then if you just gave her that without her knowing, she would love that.
If you give this to anybody, they're gonna think it came from a 10-star restaurant. It's crazy good. The seasoning's good, the fish is good.
Alright, so that was an absolutely amazing recipe right there. Super easy to do. Like I said, it only took about 5 minutes of prep, maybe a minute or two to cook, and it just is awesome. But once again, I want to give a big thanks to Shop Carl's. Links down below if you want to check them out. Remember, sign up for the Carl's Club membership, and you get up to 30% off retail prices, and that is, I mean, it's better than going to a store, get shipped to your doorstep. You just can't beat it in my opinion. So other than that, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you outdoors.